What's the best way to cook fall off the bone baby back ribs? What's the best way to cook fall off the bone baby back ribs?
I rarely ever recommend boiling the heck out of meat. You are washing away all of the flavor. Remember, water is a solvent and remove everything from the meat if it is left to boil long enough. For the most tender ribs, I would recommend a braise. The slow, low, moist cooking of a braise is perfect for breaking down connective tissue in the ribs without drying them out or washing away natural flavor. Even in smokers, I haven't had great luck with baby back ribs as they have a tendency to dry out. Here is a easy to follow braise for ribs by Alton Brown video. See link 1. 1. See link 2. 2. See link 3. It's a decent place to start and work on your preferred methods from there. Please avoid boiling your meats, you will be so happy with other methods, even if they do take a bit longer. The key is to slow cook them on low heat, and keep the lid door closed for at least 2 hours. Here's my foolproof method for fall off the bone baby back ribs that anyone can do. Make sure you know where to get good fresh pork. Pay the cost to be the boss. Cut membrane off the bone side of the slab. Optional. I don't like its chewiness. Use your favorite rib rub on both sides, or just pick one in the store. Wrap the slabs in aluminum foil tightly, shiny side outward. Refrigerate overnight or for a few hours, if you have the time. Preheat oven to 275 degrees. Rack in the middle. Put ribs on a cookie sheet, bones down, meat up. Leave the door shut for at least 2 hours and 15 minutes. Very important. Take ribs out and let sit for about 5 minutes, and savor the aroma. Remove the tin foil and put your favorite sauce on the ribs. I like whiskey in mine. Broil, grill the ribs for an additional 10 to 15 minutes, makes the sauce stick, restaurant style. This works every time, and the meat really falls off the bone. The key is really to get good meat, though. If you are cooking ribs that have been frozen for many months, they obviously aren't going to be as good.